Okay, so welcome back friends, and in this video we are going to learn about VS Code. Okay, we are going to start to learn about VS Code, and actually in this video we are just going to concentrate on the installation of VS Code, and in the further videos we'll explore the features, the extensions and many other things that are available in VS Code. Okay, and you know what, one of my friends suggested me to create this these videos because he was very confused in VS Code. Okay, so I got an idea of creating this. So first of all, you have to open up your browser. I'm using Brave browser. Okay, so you can search for VS Code download. That's what many people search. Okay, and just click on the first link and you will be redirected to its website. Okay, now here you can choose your operating system. It's cross-platform and you can download according to your OS. So I'm going to be choosing user installer for 64-bit. So it's gonna get downloaded. I'm gonna click this so that it opens up. It will be very fast. Okay, and it's downloaded. Now we just have to install it. Just click run and then accept the agreement. You cannot do anything else. Next. Okay, now I recommend checking all of these because they are very useful to you. Okay, create a desktop icon. You know it will just create a desktop icon for you, and these two will learn what are they in the further videos. Okay, and then register code is generator for supported files. Okay, so whatever file is there, whatever text file is there, it can be opened up in VS Code. So just click next and at last install, and okay, that's it. So you can just click finish and it will launch VS Code. Okay, so I'm not going to save it. So as you can see, we have VS Code. This is how it looks like. You will get a welcome screen right there. Okay, so if I go ahead and open up a new window, okay, I'm just gonna close this up. So you can see you will get a welcome screen, a welcome window like this. Okay, so this is how VS Code looks like, and it's a bit confusing because if you have used Sublime Text or if you are using Notepad for your code editing, that will not be familiar to you, then it will be a bit difficult for you. Okay, so you can see this navigation here. This is common. Okay, so you can click new file to create a new file. Then you can go to here and just change it to HTML or whatever language you use, and you can just say HTML5. So it will generate the whole file for you. Okay, but if I just remove all of this, and we are exploring one feature right here. Okay, so if I say exclamation mark, so you can see I get the whole document. Okay, so when I press enter, we get the whole HTML5 document that we had to write in Notepad. Okay, so we had to write this doc type HTML and all the other stuff. So this gives us the whole document, and this plugin is called Emmet. Okay, it's just a plugin that comes by default with VS Code, so you can use it. What it helps in doing this, okay, so when you say H1 and then you press tab or enter, so you're gonna get this result. Okay, we get this result in many of the code editors. And if you want to create a div with a class of division, so you can just say dot division and then press enter or tab, and it will give you the div with the class of division. Similarly, if you want to create a div with an ID of anything, so you can just say hash div v. Okay, so this is one of the most used feature of VS Code, and the second most used feature is the extensions. Now I'm getting the font larger because I have set it to 22. You can just go here, click on settings, and in search settings you can search for font size, and this is 22. Okay, this line right here represents that it's changed. Okay, previously it was, if I click reset setting, and previously it was 14. If I show it to you, it was like this. Okay, settings change automatically, and I'm going to set it 22 again, so this looks a bit better. Okay, and then similarly you can change the font family, so you can just search for font family, and these are the font families. Okay, like CSS, so you have Consolas. If Consolas is not available, then you have Courier New, and if it's not available, then you have Monospace. If I remove it, okay, let's see, so it's Courier New font. Okay, let's just, oh no, okay, so let's put it right here. Okay, at the very beginning, Consolas. Okay, and then you'll get that font. Okay, that's what VS Code's, the some basic features, but there are many features out there available with VS Code, so you can just play around with VS Code right now. But in the next videos, in the further videos, we are going to concentrate on many of the features that many people don't know, and many of them just confuse in VS Code, but VS Code is actually the best of all. So that's it for this video, guys. Hope you enjoyed. Like it, share it with others, subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to press that bell icon, and for watching.